Hi everyone, welcome to week 2 of our online course. I just want to go through a few things with you guys and make sure you're on track. So you should have finished up all of the content from week 1, done your quiz and submitted it. Just to clarify, when there is a quiz, you will not get your mark or your what you did right or wrong back right away, because everybody still has to write it. So when a quiz is opened on Thursday and closes Sunday, you won't be able to see what you got right or wrong until Monday. And under the tab Start Here, there is a spot that will show you how to look for your quiz results. If you have questions about that, let me know. The quizzes are worth 2%, so don't stress out too much if you didn't do as well as you'd hoped. You have lots more stuff coming. The quiz questions are often from the textbook chapter from Darby, and some of the questions I write myself from the content that I've posted as well. Some of those questions you may see on a test again, but not all of them. This week, week 2, we're starting to talk about oral self-care aids and looking at the most common methods for toothbrushing and flossing and irrigating devices and stimulators and all sorts of devices and aids that you will be recommending to your clients. So be sure that you do go through all of the PowerPoints and make sure that you make notes. There are going to be some quiz questions that will be directly from those chapters. There are videos this week. They're pretty short videos, so if you press play, you'll see like they're 2 minutes or less, and within there you're going to learn techniques of brushing. You do need to know these, and you do have to be able to show them to me, essentially. So bring to class a toothbrush this week, or sorry, not a toothbrush, a Typodont. I will provide some toothbrushes. And make sure when you're watching these videos, you have a toothbrush and a Typodont to follow along. There's the different toothbrush methods that you do need to know. And then there's a flossing technique video. And then we get into some articles. There's the link to our assignment, and I have posted within there some instructions for you as well to help in just to go over some of the instructions for the assignment. So this is where you will upload your link to YouTube. So back to our week 2 folder. Once you've gone through the content of this week, remember there is a checklist. So you need to have watched this video that I'm currently talking to you in. You need to have watched the oral hygiene self-care aids video, which I've just showed you how to do that, and they're all pretty short, and make sure you practice on your Typodont. Look at the PowerPoints, take some notes, read the posted articles. Those are going to come back in another week or so when we have another unit on this, and you will be doing a discussion board. So make sure you've read those articles. Participate in the week 2 quiz and submit it. Again, that will be available to you Thursday after class. Read the instructions and or watch the video instructions to assignment 1. Make sure you have a group. If you don't, please let me know right away so that I can help you with that. Make sure you've begun the assignment and attend class on Thursday. That is pretty much week 2. We will be going back to this unit again in week 4 when we have our guest speaker who will also talk to you about toothbrushes and toothpastes. And so again, we will be revisiting this, but for now, make sure that you do the readings and look at the videos. And in class on Thursday, we'll do some role-playing and some opportunities to practice these toothbrush methods as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I will see you in class.